how to screenshot on Picsart. So let's get started. So if you want to screenshot on Picsart, so to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your Picsart application. After opening up your Picsart application, now what you can do is just simply tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle of your screen, and after tapping on that, now you can just simply select a text or a photo that you would like to take a screenshot of. After doing that, now if you want to take a screenshot, then you can use the manual buttons that you can find in your device, the volume up and the power button at the same time. And after doing that, you can take a screenshot, or if you just want to save this in your gallery, so to do that what you have to do is just simply tap on the download option which is on the top of your screen, and after tapping on that download option, now you just have to select a file format. So the available format is JPG, just select it and then tap on save. And after doing that, the following photo that you have chosen will be saved in your gallery. Now what you can do is just simply open up your gallery, and after opening it you will find this following photo that you have saved. So that's it guys, this is how to screenshot on Picsart. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.